So this is the US oil analysis for Friday the 22nd of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices, we weren't able to hold above this $66 barrel. We instead rejected the 200 period average. We had prices come down towards our 64.75 here, where we previously found support. Had prices traded all the way down towards our 64.50. Again, an area where we did see prices trade previously down towards beyond the 64.75 all the way down towards the 64.40s actually, and that's pretty much what we did see. Again, we did see price come down towards our 64.50s, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum return to the market, taken back above the 65.60s. Brief pullback at the area of confluence in around the 200 and 400 period average, and again we've seen this bullishness play out to the upside. We are seeing a bit of a pullback at the moment. So if we do see this retracement to the downside, possibly forming a higher low in around that $66 barrel mark, we're then looking for price target 66.71, successful break from which we're looking for price head towards that 67.12. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside beyond the 67.12, we'll be looking for price head up towards that 67.73 here on the US oil. If, however, we do see a breakdown in prices, either from where we are at present or from that 66.71, we then look for prices target this area of confluence in around the 200 and 400 period moving averages at the 65.60. Successful break from which to the downside, we'll then look for prices target the 64.75 and possibly in and around that 64.50 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart. And on this daily chart, we can get scale on here, correct? We can see here we've had this consolidation breakdown. We've not seen the momentum follow through. Instead, we are seeing a continued recovery here to the upside now. The candles are still pretty small, open to close. The range of the daily range is does appear small, open to close range. So there still might remain another move here to the downside, but for now it does appear that there has been a further bullish buy side impetus coming to this market, so we might see prices head further here to the upside on the US oil. We've had a move that was up to the ups. We've had a trending move to the upside. We've had a brief pullback, further pullback here, and we do appear to be going to a bit of a consolidative range at present. So if we can stay above our previous lows from a daily chart perspective in around the 64.50s or so, we're then looking for prices to realign with the previous trend, which was to the upside here on the US oil. But we'll see how price develops. Over, we can see that bullish impetus coming to the market, but the market still seems a bit weak for now. With that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.